Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the serpentine belt tensioner on Nissan Micra 1.2 petrol. The serpentine belt on this car is located on the side of the engine. You can see the serpentine belt is located right there. In order to get access to the serpentine belt and the tensioner, we need to go underneath the car, and we have better access for them from there. In order to get better access, first we need to remove these bolts holding the wheel arch liner and move the front part of the wheel arch liner to the side. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now I have access to the serpentine belt. We can see on this car there is two serpentine belts. To remove this serpentine belt, this is the belt tensioner. We need to loosen this bolt on the tensioner pulley, and then there is another bolt which we need to turn in order to loosen the tension on the belt. This is the bolt right there, this long bolt right there. After we loosen the bolt on the pulley, then we should be able by hand to turn this bolt and loosen the tension on the tensioner. So first to loosen the bolt on the tensioner pulley. Now that the bolt on the tensioner pulley is loosened, I'm going to turn the bolt on the back of the tensioner to loosen the tension. This is the size socket 13 that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be turning the bolt by hand. It's very easy to turn. Once turning the bolt, you'll see how the tension on the belt will loosen, and then we'll be able to remove the belt. We can see the belt is now loosened, so now we can remove the belt. That's the serpentine belt out. Now we have access to the serpentine belt tensioner. This is the tensioner right there, and it's held by two bolts, one there and one there. We need to remove those bolts, and then we'll take out the tensioner. And that's the serpentine belt tensioner out. That's what it looks like on the back. And now we're going to put back on the serpentine belt tensioner. Putting it back on is exactly the same, the reverse procedure. After putting on the serpentine belt tensioner, then we need to put the serpentine belt back on. At the end of the video I have a diagram of the routing of the belt, and that's it. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.